Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful Breville BES 900 XL espresso machine. Now for this machine we already had a video and we tested out, so we're gonna do another test because unfortunately my espresso shot was terrible. So starting from scratch, as I said on the previous video, we couldn't get rid of the service error message that you get at the beginning of the machine. That doesn't mean that the machine is not gonna get to 200 degrees or anything like that. It's still going to get to 200 degrees. We descaled this machine, remove the thermal, what's it called? Sensors, water time level sensors. We removed them, cleaned them completely. There was a lot of scale buildup in there. We also descaled the boiler manually. Unfortunately, we have to do that because this one doesn't have the descale access, so we had to basically get hoses inside and drain the boiler, get a bunch of descaler, drain the boiler again, put a lot of water, drain it again, and just do that until the water was completely clean. So yeah, we did that for the brew boiler and on the steam boiler. So what we're gonna do right here is gonna show you how the gauge moves back and forth and the easiest way to do that is by using a blind filter. This one right here. We're gonna be using a little bit of Joe glue. No sponsor yet. We're gonna be using a little bit of Joe glue to clean it and to basically show you how this gauge goes all the way to 9 bars, and also clean the machine as well. We're gonna just do a good back flush of the machine and just call it a day for this one. We already worked on it for a while. So I'm gonna pause the video a little bit right here. Once the machine gets to 200 degrees, it should take a couple of minutes, but I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, that was actually pretty fast. So now it's at 200 degrees. We just gonna double check that the pressure is inside the boiler is actually 200 degrees. And as you can see, it is working perfectly fine. Beautiful steamer. And now for the back flushing. As I said before, this machine has at least 6 seconds of pre-infusion. After that 6-second mark, the water pump gets initiated, the solenoid valve opens and starts to build up pressure inside the group head. And this time I'm gonna be showing you, it gets 9 bars, no problem. Yeah, it was definitely my shot, it was just terrible. I should have put a little bit more, make it finer as well. Right, that's good enough. 15 seconds, perfect. And again, as I said, we're gonna be back flushing this machine, doing these multiple times in a row to make sure that the previous coffee that we did, and to make sure that goes away, and to make sure that everything in the group head is clean. This is the most important thing you should do to your espresso machine. So you have a semi-automatic machine, you should definitely be back flushing more than descaling. Descaling is important, but back flushing is way more important, because you want that shower head to be clean. Otherwise, you're gonna have something like this. You know, this is an older one, and you can barely see any of the holes, right? Let me try to get a cleaner and a more newer one. Okay, that thing is still back flushing. Let me just pause the video after this shot so I can get another screen to show you the difference. 15 seconds, perfect. Okay, machine is still there, perfect. And just to show you the difference, this is a brand new shower screen. See? Beautiful. You can kind of see through. Oh, let's see, you can kind of see through it. Now this is one that hasn't been cleaned in a really long time. And you can see that you can barely see through it. There's a lot of coffee buildup, there's a lot of stuff, and that will actually build up around the group head. The gasket, the shower screen, pretty much everything. So if you don't back flush, you're gonna have something like this, and that will burn the coffee, give you a more bitter taste. You won't actually be able to extract all the flavors of the coffee. So it's really important for the machine to get back flush every 60 shots. For some people, that's once a week. For others, is every day or every 2 days. Some people drink a lot of coffee. As you can see, we got rid of the Joe glue. We're just gonna let it back flush now with water so we can get rid of that excess of soap in there. Which is pretty safe to it's just back flush detergent. It's not gonna, it tastes horrible. It's not gonna really harm you or anything. It just really tastes horrible. So you just after back flushing, make sure you do a couple of back flushes with just water I prefer to do an espresso shot and dump it out, plus the regular water back flushes, just to make sure that there's nothing, not even a single drop of detergent inside. Just because I don't really like the taste of it. Perfect. We're gonna do this until the water is basically clear. So we are back in a bit. Alright, after a lot of back flushing, now this will be the one that actually cleans up everything. So there should not be any coffee remaining in there. It's very clean right now. The water should be clear after this back flush. And again, gauge going to the 9 bar. Perfect. Come on. Okay, needed a little bit of help. Perfect. There you go. Water clear. Beautiful. Now to show you the shower head, we're gonna see pre-infusion a bit there for 6 seconds. Then the shower screen. The shower head just this is water. Look at that, beautiful. And there you have it, Breville BES 900 XL working once again. Oh wait, hot water, perfectly fine. And again the steam, working perfectly. Perfect, we tested everything again. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching. And I hope you enjoyed the kind of small mini tutorial demonstration on how to backflush a machine in a way. So thank you so much. Have a good night.